What's up, everybody? Alex here with Lord Jesus ATV Repair and Customs, and today we've got ourselves a Yamaha YFZ450. Pretty much, this thing is blown up. So it's a customer's, or honestly, I've never seen this before, unless it's the piston that exploded. But I have never actually seen a cylinder crack unless the piston has exploded or something, or unless the valves dropped. But so what has happened was this guy was out riding. He was riding very slowly, and all of a sudden he just said his bike just went up in smoke, and it was because the all the coolant leaked out and started smoking up everything. So pretty much, for sure, it's gonna need a new top end. Well, at least a new cylinder. We're gonna tear this thing apart and see what else exactly it needs, because as far as I could see, there's a huge crack right here. As you can see right there, there's a crack right there, and then there's a crack on the other side too. So I've never seen that before. You can see right there the coolant had leaked out from there down there on the bottom. So we're about to see what's up with this thing. So yeah. All right, everyone. So I got the tank off, and I have a feeling I know what happened to this bike, or to this quad. And actually, this is sealed on there pretty dang good. Hold on. All right. So I think this four-wheeler might have dropped a couple valves or something, because those kind of cracks don't just normally happen on these things. Usually that happens when you drop a valve or something like that. Hold on. All right, guys. So didn't look like, well, what I thought it was. I thought maybe it dropped a valve or something, but these are looking to be all in line with each other. They're not looking bad. So I've gone ahead and taken off pretty much everything so I can get this head off and take these studs out, or these head bolts. Sorry. Washer got stuck down there. Anyways, here we go. So let's see, this piston exploded or something. Why did this thing crack the cylinder? Yeah, that piston don't look right. That's for sure. That piston definitely looks like something happened to it. Miraculously, these valves all look to be almost mint condition, which is pretty cool. But let's see what happened to that piston. Alright, so this does not look good at all. This piston snapped right off of the crankshaft. Here it is. As you can see, completely cracked that cylinder. Bottom of the piston. I've seen this before on a Yamaha. Actually, yeah, it was a Yamaha too, but it was a dirt bike, 250. YZ450F. Same exact thing. And well, it almost looks like maybe well, it's actually kind of hard to tell, but That might be from not proper ring gap. But yeah, oh yeah, this is gonna need a full rebuild. Yeah, there's no way. This thing is done. Yeah, the rod's bent a little bit. Bent to the left. This side's bent down. Oh yeah, locked up. Locked up. So yeah, she's gonna need a full rebuild. I'm gonna have to tear it down farther, but as far as what I could see right now, guys, this thing is gonna need a full top and bottom end rebuild. And yeah, so he said he was riding in the desert. He was going really slow, and then all of a sudden it just smoked up, and it was because the coolant started leaking out from the cylinder. But he said that he didn't try to start it back up, that as soon as it broke down, he just called his son to come pick him up, and that was it. He took it home and never tried it again. So he brought it to me. He told me the story, and I had a pretty good idea that the engine blew up, because yeah, your cylinder doesn't just get cracked like that. And he said that his fan was working fine, and it was cooling, and so I didn't think it could be like any kind of cooling problem. He said the light didn't come on, so obviously something happened to the engine. But yeah, so stay tuned for any more progress on this build, if he wants to do it or not. We'll see. I'm gonna give him the price of how it's gonna be, and we'll take it from there. And for those of you that watch the Banshee videos, we finished the Banshee. The customer was kind of in a hurry to get his bike back, so we didn't do a video to finish it. But it was running good when it left. And yeah, so there it is. Thank you guys for watching, and Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Bye.